Hey guys, this is Gator School, and we are going to open up this Kiwi Crate.
Do you remember what the Kiwi Crate is about?
Bodies. Ooh.
Cool.
So, let's start unboxing.
Trio, come. All right, let's do this.
What? That's so big.
All right, let's see.
Oh my god, they have the organs. What?
Can you show
They
me
have
the
the
organs?
brain?
Can you show it to me? What?
Where's the heart?
Is it in there?
No, I don't see it.
Maybe it's in between.
Materials to make a stethoscope.
Do you think that's what it's for? Looks like a headband. Interesting.
Ooh, is this all cotton?
Maybe.
Cotton packet. Okay, you also need these to make the stethoscope.
I don't know if it's for your stethoscope or not.
Okay, let's
What
look
makes you
at,
think it's a stethoscope?
let's look.
Okay, let's look at some other stuff.
Okay, but look at it.
Oh, that's why you think it's a stethoscope, because you looked at the picture.
Yeah, and this is the brain. That's the whole body.
Cool.
So we can check out our patient. What, you can put eyes on these things? Or the eyes already on? No, we definitely have to put on the eyes.
And that's Velcro.
Velcro and
And eyes. Oh, nice.
eyes. And some string
Cool.
to go around these things. Around all the warriors. Oh, that's the part that we need. Okay, this is the chart.
This is so fun.
This is the doctor's chart, so you can play doctors.
How cute.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am. How can I help you? Are you feeling sad, or nervous, or happy?
Cool.
And we have this little thing, and these, they look like particles. Particles. Oh! Oh! What is this?
A dry erase marker.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, just bones, bones, bones. We definitely need bones.
Whoa.
Skeleton parts.
Oh, careful.
Put some of this on there. Oh my god! You have to unfold this thing. Oh my god.
Stop saying, oh my god.
Don't look at that.
Is it really big?
How are you supposed to place it somewhere?
We'll find a spot.
You gotta see how big this thing is.
That is really big. Maybe we should wait to unfold it until we need it.
Okay. It's as far as it will go.
Push as far in as you can.
I think that's it.
Alright. We're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in the other end like that.
This end?
Yep. Oh, nope. The T part. The part in the middle. There you go. So now we got the L connectors in. Can you slide on the green tubes onto the...
L connectors?
Yep. Slide them on all the way.
Okay, I think that's all the way.
All right.
Okay.
Do the other one.
Yeah. Now we have to put these on. This is the thing for your heart. To hear your heart.
Yeah.
I wish I could actually. What is wrong with this thing? It came unwrapped. Oh, It was almost unwrapped.
He's learning to sew.
Yeah.
Look at you go. Oh my goodness. All right, now put it through the back this time.
Put this back.
Yep. Whoa, where are you going? Over here, right next to it.
You said the back.
Yeah, but the hole right next to it. Whoops, slow down.
We got this stuffed.
Look at that, what is it?
Stuffing inside
No, but what organ is it?
the stomach.
All right, should we draw a face on the stomach?
Happy stomach.
That is one happy stomach.
Now put him upside down.
Oh my goodness.
Or put him like this. Does he?
Upside down.
I think he looks like a ghost.
It kind of does.
An orange ghost. Push. Put some push and turn this into a great world. A great world. A great world. Turn this into a great big world.
Are you making up songs?
Yeah. Turn this into a great big world.
All right, add a little bit more, I'd say.
Add a little bit more cotton. I like that I say cotton. Do 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 do.
Do you want to tell me what you made?
We made these guys and this stethoscope
What are those?
organs.
What kind of organ?
Stomach, heart, brain.
Are they?
Roar! You made an angry brain.
Oh no.
But look what's on my neck.
Do you have a stethoscope on?
Yeah. You can actually do this. And you can hear your patient's heart. Ah. Bum, 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 bum. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.